All right, so we're gonna gang together for these
all
files.
these separate files. We have placement. Under placement, we have print jobs individually, or group jobs together, or conserve media. We're gonna group these jobs together. Select placement. We'll center it. Then we select our spacing. Do you want spacing?
Yeah, I think that's good. 0.15.
0.15, or do you want something smaller?
No, that's good.
Okay.
These are nice.
So that should be good, and then we can select all, or just leave it and hit print now since we already have it.
Okay, and that's our preview right there, right?
That's our preview, so we can
confirm. So if you were to queue up several other jobs, it'll just do the same thing all together?
Unless if you hit print jobs individually.
Oh, okay, I gotcha. Cool, yeah, it's good.
So let's say you have jobs you don't want to print yet.
Yeah.
You can put it on pause.
Oh, okay, cool.
So, are we good to send this?
Yep, send.